Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Pearl and today I'm going to be doing week 1 of Project Life for 2019. Initially I had done this digitally, but with an upgrade I lost all my files and I decided I'd rather do this as a physical Project Life even if I have to catch up. So I printed out all my pictures and I have the dates on them on the back. I'm looking through the Studio Calico 3x4 cards for January, trying to see which ones I want to put in the spaces. Now, since I'm doing catch-up, I'm more concerned with the pictures and the words than embellishments, as you'll see. So this is going to be really quick. I'm deciding which cards to put in the 3x4 cards, and after I do that, I'm moving things around. I look through the 4x6 cards to put on the bottom right hand corner. Now I put the second page away so I have space to work on my first page, and I get the 01, which is a Felicity Jane puffy sticker, and I put that as week 1. I've done the print and cut with the labels for this kit, and I'm writing the kids picking oranges from our trees before going to 할머니 and 할아버지's, which is grandma and papa in Korean, for New Year's Day celebration. I like to put the labels on with the edge coming off and cutting it, and then using a tiny attacher to staple the label to give it a little bit of dimension. Now I'm writing, we headed to my parents' house to Sebe, which means bow to our elders and get their blessings for the new year. The kids all lined up to bow together. They love this because they always come away with money from their elders. They bow to my parents, they bow to my brothers, and they bow to us, and we all give them money as part of their blessings. My parents are laughing here, and even though the picture is blurry, I wanted to put that in because it captures the essence of the day. It was just a happy celebration day. Now I'm cutting up this title, the Netflix show, Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. My husband took the kids to Arizona to see his family so I could clean, purge, organize the house. And on that 3x4 card it says, this year I will do my best to keep the house clean and organized. With 4 kids, I can't clean and purge the way I want to because the kids say, oh, I was looking for that. So he did me a favor by taking them to visit his family so I could clean and purge the house. Now I'm putting on this label, Dave took the kids to Arizona so I could clean, organize, and purge. And that's a picture of my daughter with her grandma. There are makeup brushes here that I received in the mail, my Happy Mail. I love makeup, as you'll learn here. So this is a Suku makeup brush I received from Harrods that I got on the 4th, and then I also have the Sonia G brushes that I received on the 5th. And I write, I love me some good makeup brushes. Now after I write that down, because I put the Suku brushes on that hello card, I'm looking for another card to put on the right hand side of the 3x4 cards. I'm just looking for something simple, and I end up putting the bonjour, even though I'm looking through the other cards to see if there's anything else that I might like instead. Now I move everything aside to bring the first page back on so I can look at it as a 12x24 layout. And I really want to stamp. I really want to stamp something, but I can't figure out what I want to stamp that'll go with the pictures. So then I go through the stickers and I'm deciding which stickers I'm going to put. I put the heart circle by the makeup brushes. I put today up on the top right picture. And I put a yes above where the kids are picking the oranges. Then I go through the chipboards and I try to decide which chipboards I'm going to use. I put the circle picture chipboard that says there's a season for everything on the picture of my oranges. And then I'm putting down the other chipboards as well. And this is my week 1. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.